Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply.com, and in this video we're going to be installing a WeatherTech ImpactLiner Bed Liner on our 2021 Ford F-150. Let's get started. All right, the only tool you're going to need for installation is going to be a box cutter or a razor blade. Cut out two portions for our ball and socket retention posts. That's included with the kit. You're going to want to unroll it out of the box, let it sit flat for a little while. Another thing is going to be temperature considerations. You want the bed of the truck to be, above 60 degrees, essentially for adhesion purposes, as well as it makes that liner get out of that unrolled position nice and flat. So now we're going to go ahead and put the liner into the bed. Now, once you have the impact liner nice and securely in place, making sure it lines up with the wheel wells, we're going to cut out our locations right here. You can do this before you bring the liner in as well if it's easier, but for purposes of filming, we wanted to show you once it was inside the bed. And we're just going to trace around this line here. We want to push this down so it's nice and flat up against the front of the bed as well as the bottom of the bed. Find this location right here. This is where our ball is going to stick through like that. We just want to find this location so we can clean it off and prep it with our alcohol pad. We'll let that dry. Backing. Take our little socket. Did you hear that snap? And we're just going to put some pressure on here for about 30 seconds. Then we'll repeat the process over here on the driver's side or the left side. Now that just about does it for the installation of this impact liner. Just a couple of notes. Number one, WeatherTech does give you a fully illustrated installation guide in the box. Has pictures of everything. Another thing is this is a 5.5 foot bed, 2021 model year F-150. We do have the onboard generator option over on the driver's side. This is going to be specific to that bed size, as well as that generator option. If you do or do not have that, it's going to be a little bit different liner. Installation for the other truck bed sizes is going to be very similar, as well as for all the other pickup trucks like the Silverado and the Ram 1500, 2500, and so on. There might be slight differences, obviously, in the fit as well as the actual product itself, but installation is going to be very much the same. Now there is a little bit of a curl here at the tailgate and some on the side a little bit just from being curled up in that box, but it's going to settle over time as it lays flat, as the temperature warms up a little bit and things like that. Now that just about does it for the installation of this WeatherTech Impact Liner on our Ford F-150. If you're interested in this product or any other equipment to get your van or truck ready for work, be sure to check us out at UpfitSupply.com. My name is Ryan. Have a good one.